Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down to find the option phone ringtone, find the option phone ringtone, which is right here, and tap on it. So here we've got the sound library where we've got the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. Here we've got nothing signals, those are pre-installed, we've got 10 of them, and my sounds. So here after entering this option you can add your own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So let me pick something from nothing signals, and here we've got the crossing. After scrolling, or actually swiping, let me just volume it down, oh my god. After swiping to the right or to the left, you can check different options. So here we've got the pulse, wings, dolphin, Anna, sticks, wizard, hammer, I don't know what's that. Alright, so this is how it works. And for example, let's pretend I'd like to have this maybe sticks to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is right here and then tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.